Terrified of swimming without a black line? Your first open water swim doesn't have to be a panic attack. Here are the secrets to staying safe and swimming straight. Ready to escape the pool walls? Your first open water swim is closer than you think. Let's unlock the safety and technique secrets right now. Let's talk about the great liberation of swimming, trading the black line for the horizon. But here's the headline. Open water isn't just a bigger pool. It's a different world, and without the right know-how, it can go from exhilarating to intimidating in a heartbeat. Today, we're diving into the non-negotiable tips that will build your confidence, keep you safe, and make you a more efficient open water swimmer from your very first splash. First, let's address the anchor of all open water swimming, safety. This is your absolute priority. Never swim alone. Always use a swim safety buoy. That bright, towable float is your life insurance. It makes you visible to boats, gives you something to rest on if you get a cramp or feel panicked, and it can carry your keys. Next, know your entry and exit points before you get in. Scan for landmarks, a distinctive tree, a building, to help you navigate. And finally, understand the conditions. Is there a current? What's the water temperature? A quick chat with local lifeguards or seasoned swimmers is intelligence you can't skip. Now let's talk about the mind game. Anxiety in open water is completely normal. The water might be dark, you can't see the bottom, and that first breath can feel tight. Your secret weapon? Controlled breathing before you even start. Get in, get wet, put your face in the water, and just breathe out slowly. Then start with a relaxed breaststroke. Look around, get your bearings, and let your heart rate settle. This isn't a race start, it's your personal acclimation period. Own it. With safety and mindset secured, we move to the game-changing techniques. Forget gliding like in the pool. Here, efficiency is everything. Your number one skill is sighting. Lifting your head to see where you're going sinks your legs and kills your speed. Instead, sight like a crocodile. Every 6 to 10 strokes, as your arm recovers, peek forward just enough to get your eyes above the water. Find your landmark, then turn your head to the side to breathe. It's one fluid motion. Next, adapt your stroke. Choppy water, shorten your stroke slightly and increase your stroke rate. This helps you power through waves without getting knocked offline. And if you find yourself in a crowd during a race, don't fight for the exact racing line. Find clean water, even if it's a few meters off to the side. Fighting for feet will exhaust you more than swimming a slightly longer, clearer path. Finally, practice drafting. Swimming directly behind or slightly to the side of another swimmer can save you up to 25% of your energy. But it's a skill. Practice in training by following a friend, always being mindful not to touch their feet. The open water is calling. It's challenging, it's beautiful, and with these fundamentals, it's yours to conquer. Start at the shore with safety, master your mind, refine your sighting, and you'll transform from a pool swimmer into an open water adventurer. Now get out there, be safe, and enjoy the freedom. If this helped you, do me a huge favor. Smash that like button and subscribe for more. Now get out there and find your open water. See you in the next one.